it is all kinds of nasty on the inside. So let's take a look at the car. Okay, so starting with the pre-wash rinse, and I figured I'd start with the wheel well here so you guys could enjoy seeing all the snow get blasted out before it fell out on its own. And for anyone wondering what pressure washer I'm using here, as I've seen a few comments recently, it's a 110 volt electric Bertolini pressure washer that pushes 1900 psi at 2 gallons a minute. So if you want a little more info on it, the link is at the top of the description for you. Moving to the underside now, where it's covered in slushy snow, and this is a great example of how critical this undercarriage sprayer is, as I would never have been able to get this all removed with the pressure washer alone. So if you're wondering where you can pick one of these undercarriage sprayers up, the link is in the description for you. Moving to these disgusting floor mats, and for some reason they were upside down in the car, and the other side was pretty gross too, so not something I've shown before, but I do always clean both sides of the floor mat, although usually the bottoms of them aren't anywhere near as dirty as these ones were. Alright, with the floor mats clean, I can get to work on removing all of the garbage and personal items from this car. And as you guys can see, there was a ton of both. And if you guys have watched all of my videos, you'd know I've pulled some pretty odd things out of vehicles before. So seeing the lid to a pot in the trunk here was definitely a little unexpected. Now with the seats removed, you can see there's even more of a mess to remove before I can start on vacuuming. So I'll quickly get the personal items removed, including the Nintendo Switch game that I found, and then I'll just toss the rest of the garbage that's too big for the vacuum. Now up here in the driver's footwell where the solution turned a nice chocolate milk color, and seeing how dirty this carpet was, I knew I needed to use a little bit more solution than normal to get it clean, which makes it that much more important to keep extracting until the carpet is as dry as possible, even if it already looks visually clean. Here's all the disgusting and smelly water pulled from the Forte. Gross. Starting on these disgusting storage bin and cup holder inserts, and I'll once again use the steamer, which makes super quick work of it. So if anyone out there is in the market for a steamer, make sure you give them the Colic MC1375 unit a look, as it's an incredibly versatile machine and can be used inside the house too, as it comes with a floor mop attachment. So if you're interested, the link to it is in the description for you.
Come on in, have a look.
Hi.
Hello. Looks a little different, eh?
Yeah. Totally. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's brand new.
Yeah.
Holy.
Yeah. It actually does look brand new again, so.
Yeah, it does. Oh my god. That's crazy.
Look at your seats. They're not stained anymore. I think you want to drive it.
Yeah. I know, right? Oh, good. I'm glad you're happy with it.
Yeah, I am happy. Well, thank you.
Absolutely. No, it's my pleasure. Give you those.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy it.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Enjoy it.
Okay.